What up, what up, what up? It's the Raging Cajun Blazing Asian coming at you with another repair video. Alright, so right now we doing 2014 what is this, Ford Explorer? Yeah, Ford Explorer 2014 model. We're doing the axle shaft, which is this guy right here. So actually to get to this point is pretty easy. Only thing I did was take out these two strut bolts, which are these guys. These are 24 millimeters on the end, which go right here. Just unscrew those and then take a hammer and knock it through. And you can do that with a little punch or something like that. And then you got to take this 32 millimeter that's on the front of your axle. So that's 32 millimeter bolt that goes on the front of your axle. Then I like to take needle nose, or you can get some kind of screwdriver, put it on the end right here inside that hole, and then push your axle back through here, and then it'll come out through here and just lift it up. And once you get to this point, all you got to do is go behind here and take a pry bar, or I like to take impact gun, a chisel, and then come up through here and just come through here and hit it with the impact gun, and get in between the transmission and the axle, and with your impact gun or with a chisel and a hammer. And once you just break it free, get your chisel in through there, it'll knock it on out. You might want to have a catch pan in case transmission fluid comes out. That's it. That's all you gotta do. And then to get it back in, once you put it back inside there, you're just gonna push this back. Just push it, just hit it backwards a little bit as hard as you can, push it back. And then just put it back inside the hole, feed it through here, put your bolt back on, and line this up, get those back in, and you're done. That's your axle shaft 2014 Ford Explorer. Thank you for watching. Peace.